worst has happened in Ñnamdi Kanu's trial as the court grants Ñnamdi Kanu a hearing. Suit filed by Mazi Ñnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, came up for hearing today. Nigeria reports that the suit against the President Muhammadu Buhari-led federal government of Nigeria was heard by the Abia State High Court, located at Ikot Ekpene Road, Umuahia, the state capital. The hearing had the presence of security operatives as the security was beefed up at the court premises today. Nigeria recalls that the secessionist had, through his special counsel, Mr. Aloy Ejimako, sued the federal government of Nigeria over Ñnamdi Kanu's extradition from Kenya a few months ago. The suit is damaging that Ñnamdi Kanu be returned to Kenya, where he was allegedly extradited from, and subsequently to Britain, where he was residing. It also demands 5 billion from the federal government over alleged gross violation of his fundamental rights. Wow. See, my dear viewers, Ñnamdi Kanu has not demanded for anything. He has not demanded for anything. As far as I'm concerned, he hasn't. Because if you weigh the pains, the damages that the federal government has inflicted on Ñnamdi Kanu, you will see that he hasn't demanded for anything. The 20 billion the federal government was asked to pay Sunday Igboho, the Yoruba agitator, you will see that 20 billion naira is even small compared to Mazi Ñnamdi Kanu's own damages. I'm telling you, Ñnamdi Kanu's own damages is more than that. Seriously, these people destroyed a lot of things. They caused Ñnamdi Kanu too much pains, that even if you hear it, you yourself, you'll be weighed down. Just 3 things alone is enough to grant Ñnamdi Kanu bail. But Ñnamdi Kanu won't just be granted bail. Ñnamdi Kanu will be granted bail at the same time with the federal government being fined. The federal government must be fined for causing a lot of damages on Ñnamdi Kanu. Only 3 things is enough to nail the federal government, and they know that. Till this very moment, Buhari is regretting his moves. Whether he like it or not, he must be submissive. You see, the Buhari really want to dash out this case, but he doesn't know how to do it because he knows that the world are watching, and the people that are already on the case are not ordinary people. So if he dares take his hands off the case and say he wants to dismiss the case, hey, he has even put Nigeria itself into trouble. Yes, so that is why he's just pretending, still having hope that yes, Ñnamdi Kanu is at fault and all of that. It's a lie, pure lie. Even Malami too himself knows. I wonder what Malami is going to present in the court that Mazi Ñnamdi Kanu did. The only thing they are focusing on Mazi Ñnamdi Kanu's own case is that he jumped bail. They don't have any other thing. See? They don't. Is that okay? It can never be okay, my dear. So who is a fool here? Who are they fooling? Who are they deceiving? I'm sure not we. Yeah, not we. Can you imagine? They cannot just dismiss the case. the case will be this. Ñnamdi Kanu will win the case and still sue the federal government. And also, the Kenya themselves should be preparing, because they can never go unpunished. What the president is blabbing and noising about is just doing that for himself. He's just doing that for himself. He must face the law. He must face the law, because they are the architect of the whole show. They are the ones that started it. They are the ones that got Ñnamdi Kanu arrested and extradited and handed him over to Nigeria. So what are we saying? Why is he not lying? Lying that Kenya has nothing to do with Ñnamdi Kanu's case, whereas they are the ones that even committed the most biggest sin. According to Ñnamdi Kanu, the torture he received in Kenya cannot be compared with the one he's receiving now in Nigeria. That the one in Kenya is more than ordinary 9 days in Kenya. See what they did to Ñnamdi Kanu. Compared to the detention that Ñnamdi Kanu has been in for good 3 to going to 4 months now. But Ñnamdi Kanu is still confirming it. That 9 days in Kenya is just like, hey, it's just like 1 day in hellfire. Hey. So Kenyan government must pay damages too. They should be ready. They will never go unpunished. They must be punished. They must be punished. They must face these pains too. They too must face this pain. All the things that they did, they will surely pay for it. They will pay. You understand? Yeah. So my dear viewers in the house, this is a reality. This is a reality. Let hear and let everyone know that the world is aware. Let me let you know, let me hear from you to know what you have to say. Please don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.